Hello, I'm Carlette.
And I'm Terrence.
Today we are decorating our tree. We're doing a gator tree in memory of our dads. They are both big gator fans. They both passed away, so we are doing a gator tree in memory of them. Let's get into the video. Okay, so these are what we got for the tree. These are the orange lights. These the orange lights. We got the blue lights. We got the things to hook the ornaments on the tree with. Got 2 packs of those. We got the gator ornaments. See the gator on it? We got another pack of those. We got the little gator truck. The gator ornament. The blue ribbon. Another blue ribbon. The gator bugs. Orange and blue because we're doing a orange and blue tree. We're doing a gator tree. We have the little man. The little troll. The gingerbread. The gator stamp. We have the gator stamp. Some more gator bugs. We got some more gator bugs. Gator bugs. And we have the gator face. Yeah, this. So we're doing a gator tree. Now these are the stuff that we have for our gator tree. Yeah. I just wanted y'all to see our gator stuff for our gator tree.
Pick that up. Hold on to the bottom first. Going over to the top. And run around. So what are you doing?
They got to take a look a little bit. Yeah.
No. Orange. Blow the orange in there.
The cord.
Blow the orange in there. Put it in here.
I don't see the. Hey, you can't plug it in there. There's no cord. You got to go back over there where the cord at.
Yeah, you got the rest of them. Yeah.
To plug it up at.
Go down to the bottom and come to the top.
Now we do like this. That's better.
Good.
What?
This plugs into, wait a minute.
The green cord over there by
No, that, give me that right there.
Huh?
You got that all the time. Come on, hand it to me like that, hold on.
I'm just going to take them off of you.
Pull it tighter. Pull it tighter.
It's tight.
Okay, now.
This part, go on this
part
part.
right here.
Right here. There. It was lit up. But now I'm gonna hand you these. Tanner, you stand over there and I'm gonna hand you the lights. Like that. And you rock them around. There you go. Yeah, now go get the water mint.
Gotta get some more on some blue. Make it look better. Where the thing at? So we gonna hang them on.
You hang on like that. You want, they in that bag, you want them?
The little things you put on them?
Yeah.
Go get them. You know where they at?
Yep. They don't want to be. One of these bags.
Take your time, cut it. Take your time. You see it? What do you have in the thing? You might know what's going on.
I don't want, they don't want no bags.
Hold on. Cause pick up your end first. You gotta pick up your end. You can't be along in the Pick this up and go around with the whole thing.
I got it, Tim.
See how I'm doing? I ain't dropping nothing on the ground. I'm holding the whole thing and just push it. It's gonna come loose. You don't have to worry about that. Come on. No, okay.
Yeah. Now you need the other box. You need the other lights.
I don't think we know what to talk like this shit. Go back around. Unloosen it. There's too much right here. See? See all this right here? Go back around. Go back around. Just go back. Just gotta go all the way to the top. Okay. Now listen. That's what we're gonna do.
Right to the top.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you gotta do the other ones.
Now make sure you tuck that in with them come out. Now this is going to be right on the bottom because the glue is go down to the bottom. Wait a minute. You gotta tilt one side in, both of us can't meet. Put it, let me put it. Try to hold it, thing. Just hold it while I put it.
I'm holding it.
You hold, you let it go. Now go around the bottom. Put it in the bottom. Just stick it in the bottom somewhere.
It's in the bottom.
Okay. No, just stick it in there so it'll be tight. You know?
It's in the bottom.
No. Here, get this. You got the wrong side. I want the side with the plug. Here, give me the side with the plug. Check it out. Wait a minute. Go back around the tree where you were at. I'm gonna plug it in because I gave it. Just go around the bottom. Oh, yeah, gotta get some of this stuff out the way while we're doing the tree. How you gonna do that? I'm trying to go around the tree.